On TV, you're likely to get one.
Hey, my bosses are watching. No, we're good. I drink a lot of water. Okay, Carson, want to get a check of that forecast. Nothing to complain about today.
Nothing to complain about today. That might be a different story in a couple of days, though. Let me get you out the door this morning on the Wave 31 Skycam Network, sponsored by Thompson Roofing and Construction. This morning, we have those clouds filtering in, but the sun is peeking through at times. It is chilly out there. Most of us in the lower 40s. How about Gunnersville? Now dropping into the upper 30s last check. So just make sure you have those heavier jackets, but we are dry on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, and we'll stay dry today and Tuesday as well. By Wednesday, that could be a different story. We're going to dive deeper into that system in just a second. But taking you through your Monday in particular, 63 is our forecast high. This weekend was pretty nice. It was just a little chilly. And that's really going to be the same storyline today. That mix of sun and clouds, filtered sunshine, if you will. And those temperatures still about 7 degrees below average for the 28th day of March. Pollen forecast, allergy sufferers, we're just getting into the thick of allergy season. Tree pollen and grass pollen still the main concerns, very high and moderate categories respectively. No issues with the ragweed, no issues with the mold pollen yet, but as we all know, give it a few more weeks, maybe another month or two, and all of those allergens will be in play. Future radar looks like this. You saw that cloud cover filtering in this morning. That'll be the case throughout the day, but we will have peaks of sunshine all day long. So it'll be a pleasant day. Just have that light jacket handy. You'll notice those clouds really thickening up as we get towards 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. And this data source is trying to squeeze out 1 or 2 sprinkles east of I-65 tomorrow morning. Is it possible to see a few showers? Yes, but our atmosphere is so dry right now. I think we're all going to stay dry tomorrow morning, but those clouds will stick around. And despite those clouds tomorrow, look at those high temperatures in the upper 70s. Some of us might be knocking on the door of 80 Tuesday afternoon. And then that mostly cloudy sky sticks around into Wednesday ahead of our next severe weather threat. This is going to be a classic springtime scenario where we have a line of storms developing right ahead of a cold front. And with that line of storms, we're going to see damaging wind gusts, 60, maybe 70 miles per hour possible, and we'll have that chance for a few spin-up tornadoes along that line of storms. As far as the flooding potential, that looks pretty low at this point. We're still going to see a lot of rain, but this is a quick-moving system, so that should all in all limit our flooding concerns. Nonetheless, here's future radar. This is 6 o'clock Wednesday night. And again, this looks like an evening time scenario for North Alabama. But as far as the exact hour-by-hour timing, we're going to hold off until tomorrow morning. Look through some more data throughout the day today. Bottom line, you get the idea. We'll see that line of heavier storms moving through during the late evening hours Wednesday night with that damaging wind and spin-up tornado potential. And then that line of storm starts to move out as we get closer to sunrise on Thursday morning. Rainfall amounts, again, going to see a lot of rain, but we're not expecting flooding. Still around 1 to 2 inches expected, mainly tomorrow, or Wednesday, I should say. But again, still a lot of fine-tuning to do with this forecast. So check back often here on air and online at wavetv.com for those updates over the next 48 hours. Once that cold front moves through, we'll cool back down to the 60s on Thursday and Friday. Another round of showers on Saturday as those temperatures continue to stay right at seasonable temperatures or maybe just a tick below normal.